Assalamu alaikum, welcome back in the course of Java Eclipse IDE. Today we will talk about some formatting features and saving features of Java Eclipse IDE. Let's move. If we write a code in a raw form, and we can also format it by using shortcut key to format look beautifully. Like if it's on each line, then we can also format it by pressing Ctrl Shift F. Ctrl Shift F. Then we can see that it will automatically format it. Similarly, if we create a new private int num3 and similarly up to, and we can format it by pressing Shift Ctrl F. It will format it properly in arranged form. This is a long tidy form. It will take a long if we create on each line a new variable and press again and again shortcut key Ctrl Shift F, Ctrl Shift F. It will take a longer time. But Java Eclipse IDE provide us a feature that it will automatically in our desired form automatically change. Let's go to Window, Preferences, and search a format. Okay, you can see that Java formatter. Here are the Java 2.1 built-in. We can edit this format. It will entirely create a format like indentation on same line, whatever we want, braces, functions. It's up to you which style you want, which format you want. It will work. And then you can also save it with different name. Tech tutorials hub, and export to your friends which are working together, anyone else. By sending this, it means all of your friends, your colleagues are working on same format, a standard format you want. Import, you can also import if your friend is already made and formatted, then you can get its format by importing this file. Okay, and also we can automatically save its feature, a really awesome feature of Java Eclipse IDE. Like go to Windows and Preferences. You can search here by Save. It's Autosave feature, save actions. Here are some features you can see here. Perform selected on format source code. It means when you are saving your project, it will automatically format your code accordingly to your desired format. And also here are some features to override functions, its styles, apply and configure. You can also configure these styles according to your desired form, whatever you want. Code style, member access, missing code. It means when you close, either you save your project, it will automatically save your file according to this format. This is really awesome feature of Java Eclipse IDE. Hopefully you will also understand this and like this feature. Thanks for watching. See you in next lecture.